Hello, this is Tom from Milsig Direct Europe, and let me show you a new marker T17 from Milsig. Okay, so this is it. It's a new platform from the Milsig with the new magazine and completely new mini derp system inside. I will show you the magazine first. It's 1819 round, first strike or regular paintballs or round balls. If you need to clean it, it's not necessary to take it apart completely, because there is the small window on the bottom, so you can clean that way without messing with the winding mechanism. See the floor, window, release, and the flower catcher right here, or ball catcher. Doesn't come with the square head like on M17A2. This is the Reassembly magazine for comparison. So it's the same size, just the longer. It fits like that. Now, how to take apart the gun? There are two pins, one here, one here. If you need to just strip the upper receiver, you need to use just this pin. You don't need to use this one. This holds the mini derp in the lower receiver. That way you can split it into halves. This is the bridge. It's a completely new system, very unique. You haven't seen something like that before. It's very flexible to the projectile. So it doesn't have the bow detent because it's flexible. It has the flexible sides. You can see it's held into place. Same with the shape projectile. It rapidly improves the feeding, especially in the round balls. Okay, I will put it back. You can see it comes with both dresser handles. There's the pin just catching the ball. You can see I will show you I will show you the hit core later. Put the pin back. You can see the bridge here. There is the window for the hopper. Now take apart this. Oops. There are two pins because it has the completely same the regulator like is on M17A2. Less little version. It doesn't come with the regulator it has the big nut like this, and it's much easier to get in because you will just unscrew it. And it's also the more compact. This is the paintball version or universal version if you need the regulator. So now here is another nut which holds covers in place. You may see that the strip down, it's not so easy like on M17 G3. Is the small plug, and we are here. Now we can just unscrew the heat core. That's it. Here's the bolt. This is the air chamber. You can see how small it is. There's the small O-ring inside. I'll show you the bolt. This is the bolt without the pin. It's empty. And here's the spring. The spring is much softer if you have the paintball version, so it's more air efficient than M17. It gives you at least one more magazine, probably two. Of course, it depends on setup. If you need to take apart the air chamber, there are two small screws. The black ring here, it's the connection between the air chamber and the standard regulator. So if you need to replace just the regulator body, you will unscrew it right here. It's like 1, 2, 3 pieces. I will just keep it apart, and for better understanding I will show you the mini dab itself. Here's the spring, I will not put it in. Here's the bolt, goes that way in. Here's the air chamber. It's like that. And this goes to the lower, that way. There's the O-ring screw. You can assemble it same way back. Just screw it in to proper position, like that. One, 2 not pins. If you don't like the pins, you can replace it for the screw, whatever. Okay, that's it. Now let's take a look. Shroud. It smells back. This one. Looks like that. This is cooking handle spring. That's it. Of course, safe, semi, full auto, mechanical full auto regulator for adjusting the velocity here. Let's go back 2-minute derp. If this looks familiar to you, well, it is, because it's the same size like the airsoft mecha box. So if you are wondering if it fits the airsoft receivers, well, it does, but you need a hole here for the regulator, and of course you need some version which has the room for the bridge here. This is the, if we will go into the near future, this is the metal version. This is the T17 magazine. Airsoft magazine. Go back to T17 with nylon receiver. This is the Airsoft magazine and paintball gun. If we talk about the near future, it's also compatible with new drum mag, which is coming this fall. It's 32. This one it's 1819. Looks like that. The same mechanism you know from the Tempest for the SMG. The same. It's maybe a little bit durable. That's SMG. Okay, so this is T17 from the Milsig. Thank you for watching.